We are going to do subtraction within 20 and word problems. Before we begin, let's recall back counting back from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, let's recall back counting back from 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you remember how to subtract by counting back? Let's practice. Here we have 8 minus 5. Which one is the bigger number? 8. So we are going to start counting from 8. Which one is the smaller number? 5. Let's all have 5 fingers up. Starting from 8, let's count backwards since this is a minus question. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 8 minus 5 is 3. What about 16 minus 7? Which one is the bigger number here? 16. So we are going to start counting from 16. Which one is the smaller number? 7. So let's all have 7 fingers up. Starting from 16, let's count back. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 16 minus 7 is 9. Now, let's learn the keywords for subtraction. Whenever you see these words that I'm about to show you in a word problem, that means you need to minus. For example, less, left, take away, difference, the rest, subtract, fewer, or part of a whole question. Let's look at the first example of a word problem. Let's read together, shall we? There are 5 children. 3 of them are boys. How many are girls? This is an example of a part of a whole question because part of the 5 children are boys and the other part of the 5 children are girls. That means you need to minus. To make solving word problem easier, we need to first identify the 2 numbers that you see in the word problem. What 2 numbers do you see in the word problem? 5 and 3. So, we need to minus 5 and 3. Look at the 5 children. Minus means take away. So let's take away the 3 boys. How many girls are left behind? 2. So, there are 2 girls. Let's read the next word problem. Firas bakes 8 cookies. He sells some of the cookies. He has 5 cookies left. How many cookies does Firas sell? What two numbers can you see in the question? 8 and 5. Now let's identify the keyword in the question. What is the keyword in the question? Left. Left means minus. What two numbers do you minus? 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. Which one is the bigger number? 8. So we are going to start counting from 8. Which one is the smaller number? 5. Let's have 5 fingers up. Counting back from 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Firas has 3 cookies left. Let's read the next word problem together. Kamal has 11 paper clips. 3 of them are blue. The rest are red. How many red paper clips are there? To make solving word problems easier, let's first identify the two numbers that you see in the question. What two numbers can you see in the question? 11 and 3. Now let's identify the keyword in the question. Which one is the keyword? The rest. Whenever you see the rest in the question, in a word problem, that means you need to minus. This is also an example of a part of a whole question. Because part of the paper clips are blue, and the other part of the paper clips are red. So this means minus. Which two numbers do you minus? 11 and 3. Which one is the bigger number? 11. So we are going to start counting back from 11. Which one is the smaller number? 3. So let's have 3 fingers up. Counting back from 11, 11, 10, 9, 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. There are 8 red paper clips. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try doing this word problem by yourself. We are going to discuss the answer once you're done. Ready? To make solving word problems easier, let's first identify the two numbers in the word problem. What two numbers can you see in the word problem? 7 and 4. Now this is part of a whole question, because part of the animals are squirrels and part of the animals are hamsters. That means you need to minus. What two numbers do you minus? 7 and 4. Which one is the bigger number? 7. So we are going to start counting from 7. Which one is the smaller number? 4. Let's have 4 fingers up. Starting from 7, let's count back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. There are 3 hamsters. Okay, ready for the next word problem? Pause the video and give it a try. We are going to discuss once you're done. Ready? Hani has 13 satays. Zidi takes 4 satays from Hani. How many satays does Hani have left? To make solving word problem easier, let's first identify the two numbers that you see in the question. What two numbers can you see in the question? 13 and 4. Now let's identify the keyword in the question. Which one is the keyword? Left. Left means minus. What two numbers do you minus? 13 and 4. Which one is the bigger number? 13. So we are going to start counting back from 13. Which one is the smaller number? 4. Let's have 4 fingers up. Now let's count back from 13. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. Hani has 9 satays left. That's all for me today. Until next time, bye!